Howdy, Tex. Oh, sorry about that. I mean, hey, Tex. If you're still using one of these, you might as well still be using one of these. Well, it's not the 20th century anymore. We're in the 21st century, and that's okay. Maybe you haven't heard about glue pull repair, otherwise known as GPR. GPR is a process where technicians actually take hot glue and glue it to a panel and pull dents out. Not like this. Let me show you. We don't use plungers or dry ice to get dents out. As easy as that may sound, it's just not right. Right? Well, let's see. You see this plunger? Doesn't get the job done like a glue tab. Sometimes it even causes more dents out of frustration. How about dry ice? Now, what sucker would use dry ice on a dent? That's for subscription meat boxes and Halloween, not dents. But you want to do things right because you're a smart technician, and smart technicians train to learn new techniques. That's why we've created the GPR Masterclass. But this class is a little different. It's not like all of the other trainings. This is completely online, so you can learn at your own pace. In fact, you can learn from just about anywhere. You can learn while you earn. By the pool, or even in bed. Shh, I'm learning. So see how easy it is to learn glue pull repair? Just ask this guy.
This class is great. I've learned so much. I'm a guru.
Don't believe him? Try it for yourself. Imagine this, 6 hours of glue pull lessons, full to the brim with all of the juicy details about glue pulling. We cover everything from lighting secrets, to the fundamentals, to the processes, and much, much more. But that's not it. We have 7 hours of live repairs where we walk you step by step on exactly how to handle these repairs in the real world. But here's the kicker. We're not playing favorites with any of the tool companies. This is a veritable all-you-can-eat buffet of glue pull repair with products and tools from companies like Anson PDR, Kiko Body Repair Products, Cam Auto Pro, Black Plague PDR, Dent Reaper, and Perfect Pull. We're here to give you a real taste of what you can expect in the real world. And for the cherry on top, we're handing you and your shop lifetime access. That's right, lifetime access to this treasure trove of knowledge about glue pull repair. Because as the industry evolves, this course will evolve, and so should you. So what are you waiting for? Aren't you ready to become a guru in glue pull repair? Make better repairs, get happier customers, make more bank, all because you're becoming a guru yourself? That's what I thought. And that's why you need the GPR Masterclass to become a top-notch technician that does top-notch repairs. It's really just that easy when you know what you're doing.